FIFA Mobile team gone to zero. Or let's say you got millions and millions of coins in FIFA Mobile. FIFA Mobile servers currently under maintenance underway. While some people can't able to access the transfer market is currently unavailable. And for some people, this is kind of a going crazy because the team value gone to zero. So what's really going on? And also guys, there's a risk of getting banned after you do this. There are some people reporting this. This is the kind of a chaos we are talking about in FIFA Mobile. This is what we call FIFA Mobile utots. It's trending on Twitter, and guys, crazy things are happening right now. And there are some things, and this is the moment you don't want to miss, because here is the thing guys, at this moment you can exploit the glitch in FIFA Mobile 23. There are tons of consequences, tons of advantages, tons of opportunities guys, but let me show you some of the important things. Now here is the thing, currently there is an unfair advantage going on. People say RIP FIFA Mobile, because here is the thing, it's totally unfair for those people who don't know about this glitch. Many people are getting millions and millions of coins, points, players, the best of the packages. Check this out, this fellow got millions and millions of coins and tots player, some of the high rated players. And here's the thing, this is the unfair advantages. This glitch allows players to obtain multiple high rated ultimate team players, accumulate massive amount of in-game coins. However guys, the advantage is only for those who are aware of the glitch and can take advantage of it. So therefore it is considered unfair, and for some people this is kind of a going crazy because the team value gone to zero. So what's really going on? And also guys, there's a risk of getting banned after you do this. There are some people reporting this. I don't know what is the case, but here is the thing, many people reporting FIFA Mobile is going to end, and many people are saying that if you try to take advantage of this glitch, your account may get banned. Players who engage in such activities, there is a risk of being banned or facing other penalties from game developers. But I don't think that the game developers might do this thing, because here is the thing, it's their fault. They have dropped in a new update, and yesterday they had just dropped the new update, the ultimate upgrades into the game. And here is the thing, right after that update, the game is experiencing tons and tons of issues. Like many people are doing, you try opening packages and completing the skill games to take advantage of this glitch. And here is the thing, this is the moment you don't want to miss. Try it for now, and they might fix it into the future. So who knows what will happen, whether they'll be going to keep your points, all the coins, all the players. And here is the thing guys, check this out, banning all the people who exploited the bug, taking players and coins for your mistake doesn't seem right. This bug yesterday made more people want to play FIFA Mobile, and it only brought you much more monetary gain. So please don't remove this bug and do not ban people. So here is the thing guys, many people are saying that they are trying to ban people. So do let me know what is your experience, if your friend is got banned, anything of such kind. Currently the FIFA Mobile is a very unfair situation, unfair game. Some people's team is zero, some people money is infinite, some people players is inflated, they have got all the top players. And is that real that FIFA Mobile is banning all those people? As per as my research, I didn't saw any people who is saying that their account is banned after doing that. After all, game is for fun, it's just for fun, no worries. Many people are saying that FIFA Mobile is dead because it's totally unfair. And what you can do is try the converting accumulated points such as Series A points into Ultimate Team points, and this will allow you to open more glitch packages, as this will increase the chances of obtaining valuable players and more coins. Also guys, take this with a pinch of salt, take a responsible actions, do it at your own risk. I just wanted to let you know that many people are doing this. I just wanted to let you provide all the latest updates. And here is the thing, how much time the loophole will be open, I don't know. And honestly, nobody knows for sure. The thing that we know for sure is from FIFA Mobile, their latest update. Check this out, just 9 hours ago, their market will be closed for undisclosed amount of time as they review the current situation of unfair game. Also just 10 hours ago, they are reviewing the occurrence of the problem regarding utots chapter, where at the reset, that means the current situation, users are earning utot players and large amount of coins. Also tons and tons of players, tons of utot players, high rated players. Stay informed on their official Twitter for additional information. So this is their latest update guys. So do let me know what you think about it. Make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe, and this is Kedar from How to Guys. See you in the next video.